How to access YouTube audio library on phone. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is instead of going through your YouTube app, we can go to your browser instead. So I'm just going to use Safari and we are going to this link studio.youtube.com and just go to the site and we are going to tap on continue to studio right here. Okay, so this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. You will then be the YouTube Studio desktop web version like this, and we would need to pinch to zoom in through different buttons and to see the whole website clearly. And what we're going to do is to go to the left hand side of the page, and if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. What we're going to do to access the YouTube audio library is to click on this music icon at the bottom, and this is then where you can go through the audios and click on the play button beside them to preview it. That is how you can basically access YouTube audio library on phone.